this is SE 456 PA5. So the point of this PA is to get a grid of aliens and then show the missile deleting all of them. And so one of the problems I ran into or noticed that when I deleted all the aliens in a column, there was still a box up at the top with the last where the last alien was, so the column wasn't getting deleted. So I had to add a check so that when you delete an alien, you check to see if it's the last alien in that column, and then go on and delete that column as well from the grid. And then it obviously updates the grid. As you can see, the bounding box adjust as a column is deleted. That was really the only major issue that I had with the collision, is figuring that out. And when the last alien, as you'll see, when the last alien's deleted, the entire bounding box for the grid is also removed. All right, that's PA5.